Aloha, and welcome to the Hawaii Emergency Management Agency. I hope you enjoyed the past 29 days where HI-EMA celebrated Mahina Olelo Hawaii. I know the staff enjoyed learning new Hawaiian words, and for the past 29 days, we tried to find words that were relevant to the mission here at HI-EMA, where we focused on preparedness, mitigation, response, and recovery. HI-EMA's final phrase for Mahina Olelo Hawaii is E Hana Ka Ko'o. Working together, supporting one another as we do this important work of preparedness, mitigation, response, and recovery. E Hana Ka Ko'o. The proud men and women of HI-EMA continue to serve our great state. As we prepare for disaster, as we respond, as we work into recovery, and we do some great mitigation projects. Mahalo.